Hey, let's take a look at your MT9 LT6 seminar on recursive formulas. First thing I want you to do, I want you to do the first 5 problems and then come back and check. And let's take a look at a term here. And here we have a metronome, and it keeps track of our time. And we'll use this because sometimes you want to increase the speed of a song, or sometimes you want to decrease the speed of the song. They have Italian names for them. Retardino means to slow it down. Accelerando means to speed it up. So if you have a retardino progressivo, you might begin at a certain speed and then you are going to decrease that speed over time, like from 120 beats to 30 beats. And we have formulas that we're going to look at today, recursive and explicit. We've kind of done explicit, so now we're going to look more at the recursive, at least to start with, and we'll go between them. Okay, so explicit lets me find any term in my sequence, where recursive allows me to find the next term, any place in there, based on the previous term. So if we take a look at example 1, let's make a table here, because that's really all this is you're just making a table like we've done many times before. And I want my pen here. I don't know why my pen's not showing up. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put my term here in the value, and I'm going to do the first 5 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Notice my first term is 7. So I start with 7. And then after I do that, I'm going to take my 7 and I'm going to subtract 9. So I'm going to take my previous term and I'm going to subtract 9. So 7 minus 9 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 9 is negative 11. Negative 11 minus 9 is negative 20. And negative 20 minus 9 is negative 29. Notice this is an arithmetic sequence because we're just subtracting 9 each time. And let's take a look at example 2. We're going to do the same thing. I'll do my term, and I'll do my value. And I'll do 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This time, I'm going to start with 5. Now, each term, I'm going to multiply by 3. I'm going to take 3 times my previous term. In other words, 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 3, or 3 times 15, is 45. 45 times 3 is 135. 135 times 3 is 405. Notice this is a geometric sequence because I'm multiplying to get the next term.